Welcome back to another Turboard tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a dashboard, the centerpiece for visualizing and analyzing your data. From the navigation sidebar menu, go to Dashboards and click the plus Create New Dashboard icon. An overlay window will appear. Here, you can give your dashboard a name in the title field. A descriptive title will help you easily identify your dashboard later. If needed, you can also enter a description for the dashboard and add tags in the relevant fields. Tags are particularly useful for organizing and searching for content. By labeling your dashboards with specific keywords or terms, you can quickly find them grouped together in the View Listing main page. Once you're satisfied with the details, click the Create button. Your dashboard will be created and opened with its playground, where you can start adding dashlets to it. Remember, all the dashlets that you want to add to your dashboard must be prepared and created in advance. Click the Show Dashlet List button to view the available dashlets. Click on the required dashlet, and it will be added automatically to your dashboard. If you have many dashlets, use the search function to find the specific ones you need. You can customize the design of your dashboard by moving each dashlet or resizing it with the mouse. This allows you to arrange the dashlets in a way that best suits your analysis and presentation needs. Turboard offers you extensive flexibility in designing your dashboard, allowing you to incorporate additional HTML and design components or modify the default settings to suit your needs. For more detailed information on these advanced options, check out the Managing Dashboards section in our user guide, available on Turboard website. With your dashlets added and organized in your dashboard, you're ready to explore your data in a more organized and visually appealing way.